Welcome back. You successfully downloaded and registered the Secure Messaging Plus app powered by Startel, or SM Plus for Android. We previously showed you how to use the Conversations feature. Now it's time to learn how to use the Contacts feature. Let's get started. To see your contacts list, you simply need to tap the Contacts icon. Any SM Plus subscriber who sends you a message or to whom you send a message will automatically be added to your contacts list. Each contact can be personalized to display a user's photo. Tap on the contact to display the options for personalizing. The options associated with the contact Dr. Whitney are shown here. Tapping here will send you back to the contacts list. Tapping here will let you select a photo for the contact. You can attach a new image, attach an existing image, or remove the current photo attachment. This number shows you how many messages are currently associated with this particular contact. Tapping Delete All Messages will delete all messages associated with this contact from this device. Messages that are deleted from this device will reappear upon resynchronization. You will learn more about the resynchronization feature in the video that covers SM Plus settings. Tapping Expire All Messages will expire all messages associated with this contact from all devices and from the database on the server. Tapping Delete Contact will delete the contact and conversation from this device. If the contact sends you another message after being deleted, he or she will be added to your contact list again. We hope you found this video helpful. The app's other main features, including settings, will be covered in separate videos. For further assistance with SM Plus, please contact your contact center provider.